पास से गुबार भी क्या क्या दिखाई देता है. Beginnings are usually daunting and endings are bittersweet. It's everything in between that makes it all worth living. One last time, a very good afternoon to the manager of LFCS Ghosi, Mr. Ram Lakhan Yadav, Honorable Principal Mr. Sanjay Rai, revered teachers, lovely dear non-teaching staff, lovely juniors, and the most extraordinary family have had the privilege to be a part of the class of 2025. Hope you all know me, and for those who don't know me, I am Zoya Ansari, student of class 12 standard.
Everyone please maintain silence.
First of all, I would like to appreciate the work of our juniors. Guys, you did an incredible work. And can we please have a round of applause for them?
रुकल नहीं कि हम जाएं तो वहाँ कहाँ है?
As I stand before you today for the very last time, I am filled with mixed emotion. Sadness, joy and gratitude. Sadness because I'll be leaving the familiar walls of LFCS and the people who are a family to me. Gratitude because I have had the privilege of serving as your head girl and working alongside with a talented and dedicated team. And joy because I know that the lessons I have learned and the memories I have shared here will stay with me forever. We have stood together as a community, supporting and uplifting each other. I want to express my deepest gratitude to our teachers and staff who have guided and mentored us throughout our journey with dedication, passion and expertise. They have inspired us to strive for excellence and to reach our full potential. I have been contemplating what had the essence of LFCS education. Was it the integration of SecQbex or the fact that the mitochondria are the powerhouse of the cell, or the reason behind the First World War, or the basicity of amines are greater than ammonia, and the most interesting one, debit what comes in and credit what goes out. Was it this? Well, the answer is no. It is far more than that. I think it's fair enough to say that there is no bond greater than one that exists between 186 people and who have been terrorized by the nightmares of school, who have an inexplicable desire to set off the fire alarms and bomb the school. I hope with all my heart I am right when I say that we have created here an indestructible memories. Well, it is rigorous to summarize my 6 years of journey in a minute or two, but I'll try. I'm very much speechless because practically it is the last day of us being a school student. 6 years, I still remember somewhere in April 2019, I came to the school. I didn't know where it would take me, but now when I look back, there are so much to learn, so many values, so many lessons, and I'm taking with me. I may leave LFCS, but LFCS would never leave me. Somewhere, I'll never lose my class 12th version here, and it is very precious. In 2018, someone sitting among us entered a brand new school, not knowing where it would take you. But today, we will take our final walk, and these will last with us forever. Dear class of 2025, today is the celebration what we have achieved and the glory and triumph that are to come. It is a recollection of hardship and we have to face, and the challenges are to come. Today, we step out of the comfort and familiarity towards the magical world and to ace the adulthood. To my fellow students, I urge you to continue striving for excellence, to push beyond your limits, and to never lose sight of your goals. Remember that you are a part of community that values kindness, compassion, and respect. As we are moving to the next chapter of our journey, I want to leave you with a message of hope and encouragement. Never give up on your dreams, no matter how impossible it seems to. Believe in yourself, take risks, and always be true for who you are. A journey can only be measured in memories, and LFCS has given us uncountable such memories, both good and bad as well. A big thank you to our principal, Mr. Sanjay Rai, a very chivalrous person who believed in me since day one, and obviously our dear teachers for believing in us and being there for us. Hopefully I have not disappointed any one of you till today. A word of pride for our non-teaching staff, the silent caretakers who quietly work behind the scenes, and most important, our helpers who work ceaselessly to ensure that all our events are a grand success. A big thank you to the Student Council for being a part of our support system. In closing, I want to thank each and every one of you for being the part of the journey as head girl. I'll always treasure the memories and experience we have shared. Thank you so much, dear 11s.